In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover a Google account with no recovery email or phone. As you guys already know, there are a lot of videos on this topic on the internet. However, this is going to be the only truthful video that you're going to have. So don't waste any of your time on any other videos. So the realistic answer is there is no actual way to recover your Google account with no recovery email or phone, because I've tried it a lot. I've even tried to get into contact with Google team. It's barely feasible and it's not possible. But there are a couple of things that you can do previously to keep your account secured and before you even lose your account. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. First things first, simply go ahead and head into accounts.google.com. And if you haven't already added a recovery phone, please go ahead and do so. Because not having a recovery phone is going to be the biggest problem you're going to be facing later on. So first thing first, simply go ahead and have a recovery phone and also have a recovery email, right? And if you already added those as well, you need to add a backup phone and backup email as well. So at least 4 of it. So if you head into security and sign in, you can see all of that. So there's going to be recovery phone, recovery email, and then there's going to be backup two-step verification phone. So you need to go ahead and add that as well. And finally, also add the recovery contact. So this is going to be the email that you're going to be putting as a recovery email that you can simply go ahead and recover through later on if you lose your phone, for example. And also do save your backup codes. Click on get backup codes and then simply go ahead and save all these backup codes, and that way you can simply go ahead and log in into your account. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have